a leader's apology that could change everything. The leader of Jamaah Islamiyah has made a deeply unexpected move, offering a public apology and taking full responsibility for the group's past actions. This heartfelt moment signifies humility, accountability, and an opportunity for reflection. Could this be the start of a new chapter for reconciliation? More than just words, the leader announced an official dissolution of the organization. After years of pain and unrest, this decision marks a monumental step toward peace. For faith communities, it raises a hopeful question. Can such acts of transparency sow seeds of harmony across divided societies? This moment is a reminder of the power of owning one's mistakes. As faith leaders, how can we foster repentance and the healing it brings within our spheres of influence? Humility is transformative, and this example demonstrates its importance in guiding people toward peace and forgiveness. The journey from past strife to future reconciliation begins with courageous steps like these. What role can you, as a leader of faith, play in spreading peace and dialogue? Share your thoughts, inspire your communities, and join the movement for restoration. Let's take this step together toward building bridges where walls once stood.